Welcome to my channel. Today, I will guide you to ask Facebook to change private group to public group. Normally, you can only switch from a public group to a private group, but you can't switch back. That limits the amount of interaction for the group. Only group members can see posts in the group and posts cannot be shared with everyone. So let's go to Extension Manager and turn on Developer Mode button. Then you can see on the corner of the screen where the file has been downloaded, open it and extract it by right-clicking on the zip file. Then Wizard and Finish to extract it into a file folder. After extracting, hold the left mouse button on the file folder and drag it into the extension. Note that when you want to add a file folder, you must turn on the Developer Mode button. Now copy the group name and link of the Facebook group, then paste it in the Facebook group URL section on the second line. Third line, please take a screenshot of your group to prove that this group is from private you want to change it to public. Finally, click Start and wait for the results after the progress bar reaches 100%. So you have successfully sent the request. Wait 1-2 minutes for Facebook to update the group for you. Depending on the group, Facebook update time is different. Please try to reload the group to see the results. As you can see, my group has been successfully updated to the public group. From now on, group post will be easily accessible to everyone and shareable. Just like that, if you think it's interesting, please like and subscribe to my channel so I can share more useful tools with you. Now I will go to the group settings to see if it has changed to public. You can see, all the information displayed is public. So my group has successfully changed from private to public. You can try this Google Chrome tool extension. It is completely free. File download link below video description or comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.